back here with us on Times Now. Viewers, there has been a major security breach. As per the sources, what we've learned is that a man entered the Parliament building, in fact, early this morning by climbing a tree and scaling the wall. And this happened around 6:30 a.m. this morning. He reached the Garud gate of the new Parliament building. We have by my colleague Priyank Tripathi joining us live to help us understand what exactly happened and how is the situation right now. Priyank, what more details can you share with us? What happened? How did he manage to enter the Parliament premises?
See, Hina, he was attempting to scale up the wall of the Parliament, the newly constructed Parliament, towards the TKR Gate 2, which is towards the PTI and the Transport Building. Later to that, he was spotted by the CISF personnel, and there he was apprehended by the CISF, and after a joint interrogation, he will be handed over to the local police. What we are getting to know that this man is a resident of Uttar Pradesh and he was apparently working in Gujarat. He had gone to the railway station, and after he could not board the train, he came back, and the mental condition is certainly something which is under the question by the agencies, because the manner in which he has been changing the statement and the kind of vague explanation which he has been giving, it's clearly giving a picture that he was mentally not unstable. Now police officers are trying to interrogate him properly. That is, right now IB officers are questioning him. But this incident is certainly very alarming, because the manner in which the security breach once again has been attempted. We know that earlier there were a group of 5 men and women who managed to enter inside the Parliament, and they had thrown the smoke canister bombs. Now another attempt of trespassing is certainly a serious thing in nature. Certainly Delhi police will be filing an FIR as soon as they will get to know from the Parliament security officers.
Right. Priyank, request you to stay on with us. We have some more breaking inputs coming in as far as this particular story is concerned. Local police, we are getting to know, came to know of this incident through media reports only. Parliament security is going to hand over this individual to the local police, and after which the questioning is going to begin. Let me go back to my colleague Priyank, who continues to be with us right now. He was telling us that this person is a resident of Uttar Pradesh. Priyank, of course, questioning is going to be extremely critical here, because the point is, what was the motive? Yesterday only the monsoon session of Parliament got over, and today was the first day after that. So what was the motive really? What was he trying to do by entering into the Parliament premises? Was he carrying something? Was it for some kind of a recce? I mean, have we got any kind of initial information?
See, he has not done any recce of the Parliament. That is point number 1, because he had gone to the railway station, and soon after he could not board the train. He came towards the Parliament around early in the morning, and he was attempting to go inside the Parliament through scaling up the wall through the tree. There are 2 trees adjacent to the main wall, and through which he was attempting to go, which means that he had not done any kind of recce. Delhi police is saying that he was not carrying any bag, which could show that he could have been attempting to take anything inside this particular premises, although he had gone to the railway station. So certainly somewhere he would have kept his bag. The third point is that the police officers are yet to know the exact motive, because so far they have not been able to question him. He was interrogated by the joint team of IB and the CISF, which has been given the responsibility of security after the previous security breach which has happened inside the Parliament, where the Parliament security, which was a part of the Delhi Police security wing, officials was taken up from them, and then CISF was given this responsibility. So far there is no motive which has been established during the joint interrogation. He has been changing his statement time and again. Further details are yet to be officially cleared from both Delhi Police as well as the CISF side.
All right. Thank you very much, Priyank, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs. We'll come back to you for more on this developing story.